Today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious Turkish potato salad, as known as Patates Salatası. This fresh, colorful salad is packed with flavor and is perfect as a side dish or even a light lunch. Best of all, it is easy to make. Let's get started. Wash and peel the potatoes, cut them into cubes, then boil them in a water until they are fork tender. Tinily slice the red onion, soak it in ice water for 10 minutes, drain well, and pat dry before adding it into the potato salad. In a large bowl, add the onion and olive oil. Lemon juice, spicy mustard, mayo and plain yogurt, cut pickles in cube, add the bowl, chopped parsley, black pepper, and salt. Mix them well. Add curry. Drain the cooked potato, add them to the bowl. Gently toss until every piece is coated with the dressing. Enjoy this delicious Turkish potato salad with your friends and your family. Don't forget to share and enjoy every bite. I will see you in my next